Automotive News reported last year that Ford is planning a compact van based on the Maverick pickup, with a hybrid option. The derivative will fill the void left by the Transit Connect, which was discontinued after the 2023 model year. Before we lay out our expectations from the commercial vehicle, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on hybrid vehicles. Automotive News reported that at a national dealer convention in Las Vegas in August 2024, retail partners were shown a mock-up of the Maverick-based van. The front-end styling should resemble the Maverick truck, featuring a rugged grille and signature C-shaped headlights. Behind the B-pillar, we're expecting the van with a raised roofline, maximizing cargo capacity. A sliding door should be designed into the side structure, ensuring convenient loading and unloading. The rear should feature practical barn doors and vertically stacked tail lamps. Functional 17-inch steel wheels should serve its utilitarian character. Inside, the Maverick-based van should mirror the truck's cabin. Basic trims should offer cloth seating, while higher trims should come equipped with a 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera, and USB Type-C ports. Wireless charging, 8-inch digital instrument cluster, 110-volt power outlet, and heated seats should also be available. Expect the front seating area to feel similar to a compact crossover, providing good visibility, sufficient headroom, and legroom. Cargo volume behind the front seats should measure at least 150 cubic feet, meeting the needs of delivery fleets, service professionals, and small businesses. The Maverick-based hybrid van should use the same 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. This hybrid system currently produces a combined 191 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque, mated to a CVT. Front-wheel drive is expected as standard, offering a payload capacity of 1,500 to 1,600 pounds. We expect fuel efficiency at around 35 miles per gallon. While the Maverick pickup has a towing capacity of 2,000 pounds, it's unclear whether this capability will extend to the van variant. The Maverick-based hybrid van should be competitively priced, likely starting just under $30,000 for the base hybrid version. Higher trims like XLT or Lariat could approach $35,000. To leverage economies of scale, Ford would plan to produce the van alongside the Maverick pickup in Hermosillo, Mexico. However, potential import tariffs from the U.S. government could affect pricing and availability. Additional details about Ford's launch strategy should become clear later this year. What feature do you most look forward to in a Maverick-based van? Drop your comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.